Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to clean. This is actually cleaned. This is after. We're going to clean the studio and we're going to talk about my struggles as an artist, trying to make it, trying to have a business, trying to have a future, trying to live from my art, trying to also do that remotely somehow. Anyway, you know what they say, talk is therapy, so maybe you guys have some tips. And let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about my problems? Oh, I'm just a whiny woman. Anyway, let's clean the joint and let's talk about it, okay? See you there. Okay, here I am, starting to clean like a little busy bee. I mean, it wasn't that bad, but I just got rid of a whole bunch of stuff. I got 2 bags full of stuff that I got rid of. And when I was cleaning, I was thinking about my whole art career and my whole artistic future. I don't know if you guys know, but I have a Etsy shop, I have a Redbubble shop, and I have a Society 6 shop. I also sell my art locally, and I have a YouTube channel, of course, and Instagram, Facebook, blah blah blah. And so I don't know, I'm just kind of treading in the same water over and over again. Don't get anywhere, nothing really sticks, and no business really makes me enough money to even have a part-time job. So I don't really know what the problem is, or maybe I need some suggestions for sure. You guys can go check out my links on the bottom, please. Like the YouTube channel, I'm doing this for 4 years now, and still only have like 400 something subscribers, so sucks. What else? The Etsy shop, I'm not sure what to do about that. I am working on it. I mean, I've gotten better. I try to post regularly and renew postings and stuff, but again, really slow trickling sales. Redbubble, the same thing. Once a month I sell a sticker. So my actual goal is definitely to live from my art somehow. I am having a hard time nailing the art style down that I really want. I'm just not sure. Like, it's just like too many things. Lately I got into digital art, like drawing art, and really enjoyed that. It's a very simple style. It's not some fancy one. I don't have the patience to do any fancy or anything, but yeah. So yeah, I just really wanted to have a Patreon page and get other people, especially female, inspired to do art, and it's kind of therapeutic and just a fun activity. You can immerse yourself and forget about whatever your problems are, and that's pretty much my goal, having a Patreon page sell some of my stuff online. Yeah, just inspire other people. So if you have any suggestions what I should do, please leave them below. I really can help. I can need any, and subscribe, because I don't have enough subscribers yet to monetize my channel. Okay, this is what I have. Obviously it looks way better. Not quite totally finished. This corner needs to be cleaned up, but I ran out of time. Most of that wood will go. Some of it might stay for painting. Just put all my finished paintings over here for now, because I don't use these drawers as much. Again, there's a little bit of a mess up there, but overall I got rid of 2 big garbage bags, and yes, there's more, but so far so good. This is a bunch of, I need to put that in another, obviously this is too small. It's rags for painting big pictures and stuff, and there, organized all my pens and brushes. See how long it lasts. I'm not very good at keeping, I organize them, then I'm not very good at keeping them the way they should be. Again, this needs to be cleaned a little more, but there's stuff in there that I don't use as much. Probably gonna get rid of most of these alcohol inks because I'm not really using that anymore. I have to wait though because I want to finish that table maybe. Because I'm gonna get rid of my little encaustic kit, and I'm gonna get rid of the resin stuff because I'm not really up to that anymore. There's lots left in here, but see if I can get rid of some, sell some. Somebody might want to start doing that, but it's just, I don't know, too much work, too dirty, too gooey, and I don't have really a real big workspace to do it. So yeah, what do you think? Let me know. Definitely better than before, right? Kind of want to put some plants or something in here. Be nice to have a hanging plant or something live. Some nicer lights. I'm not going to be here that long, so who knows? A year or two maybe, even if. So we'll see. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me some suggestions on my business adventures, and like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next one over there.